Most people see this and instantly say 10, and that answer is wrong. Let's slow down and see why so many people fall into this trap. Here's the expression: 50 divided by 5 over 2 times 2. First, let me show you the most common wrong solution. People look at 5 over 2 and immediately say, that's 2.5. Then they do 50 divided by 2.5 and multiply by 2. The problem? They treated the fraction like a separate number, but a fraction inside an expression is a single unit. Now let's do it the right way: clean, logical. This is where I use what I call the KFC method, and no, not the fried chicken. KFC stands for keep, flip, change. You keep the first number, flip the fraction, and change division into multiplication. So this expression becomes 50 times 2 over 5 times 2. Now it's just multiplication, nothing fancy. 50 times 2 is 100. 100 times 2 is 200. 200 divided by 5 is 40. The correct answer is 40. Quick reminder about PEMDAS. Multiplication and division have the same priority. You always go left to right. Speed without structure creates mistakes. Structure creates confidence. If this finally made sense, like the video, subscribe, and check out the other videos on MathAlgo.